Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We're always looking for those real culinary secrets, and today we've got something special.
We do indeed. We're diving into the Shrimp Boat book series.
Specifically, one section, Sizzling Shrimp, Skewers' 10 Irresistible Recipes. And this isn't just about grilling, is it?
Not at all. It's really a journey through flavor, showing how incredibly versatile shrimp can be. These 10 recipes are quite distinct.
Right. It's about understanding the why behind each one. Our mission, to explore these techniques and flavors so your next meal is, well, an informed adventure.
Exactly. And shrimp itself, it's amazing how quickly it cooks and absorbs marinades. That's the beauty of it.
So true. Speed is key, right?
Absolutely. You're looking for that perfect C shape. Go too far, it curls into a tight O and gets tough. Quick cooking is essential.
And sticking. Any tips from the book there?
Oh, yeah. A light brush of oil on the shrimp in the grill grates makes a world of difference. So, ready for recipe number 1.
Let's do it. The classic garlic butter shrimp skewers. Sounds simple, maybe deceptively so.
It is elegant in its simplicity. But the key technique highlighted is gently infusing minced garlic in the melted butter first. Don't just toss raw garlic in.
Ah, so it doesn't burn and get bitter on the grill.
Precisely. It mellows the garlic and maximizes that beautiful aroma. Then, fresh lemon juice at the end.
Crucial for cutting the richness.
Exactly. It balances everything perfectly. A little parsley garnish, and it's just chef's kiss.
Nice. Okay, from classic to something with a bit more kick. Number 2, sweet and spicy sriracha shrimp skewers.
Yeah, this one's all about balance. You got the sriracha heat.
Which can be intense.
It can, but the honey comes in not just for sweetness, but it helps get that lovely caramelization on the grill.
Oh, right.
Plus soy sauce for umami depth, and that fresh grated ginger provides a bright, pungent counterpoint. It's complex, fiery, addictive. Lime wedges to serve are a must.
Sounds amazing. Okay, number 3, dials back the heat but amps up the aroma. Lemon herb shrimp skewers.
Bright and fresh is the theme here. The trick is using both lemon zest and juice.
Why both?
Well, the zest holds all those fragrant essential oils, the real lemon perfume. The juice gives you that sharp, tangy acidity. Pair that with good olive oil and robust fresh herbs. Rosemary, thyme, oregano are suggested.
So you get a fragrant crust.
Yeah, exactly. And you can definitely play around with your favorite herbs here.
Love that versatility. Next, we take a trip to the tropics with number 4, coconut lime shrimp skewers.
This one just screams vacation, doesn't it? Coconut milk forms this creamy, subtly sweet base. Lime zest and juice bring that essential tropical tang. And the secret weapon, a little hint of curry powder.
Oh, interesting. Not overpowering.
No, just a hint. It adds this unexpected warmth and depth, pulling it all together. Really clever.
Okay, switching gears completely. Number 5, Cajun spice shrimp skewers. Louisiana call.
Absolutely. This is bold flavor. Cajun seasoning, think paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, maybe some oregano. It's smoky, earthy, spicy.
So you just toss the shrimp in that.
Toss it well with olive oil and the seasoning blend, get it nicely coated. And the book suggests grilling lemon slices alongside the skewers.
Why the lemon slices?
As they char, they get sweeter and release even more aromatic juice over the shrimp when you serve. Adds another layer.
Clever.
Yeah.
All right, number 6 is a popular combo. Teriyaki pineapple shrimp skewers.
Sweet and savory fusion, a total classic. Teriyaki sauce gives you that umami base. But the pineapple, that's interesting.
How so?
Pineapple contains an enzyme, bromelain, which tenderizes protein. So a short marinade, like 30 minutes, actually helps tenderize the shrimp.
But not too long, right? Or it gets mushy.
Exactly right. Keep it brief. Then threading pineapple chunks and maybe some bell peppers with the shrimp adds sweetness and texture as it all caramelizes.
Love these little science insights. Number 7 takes us somewhere sunny. Mediterranean shrimp skewers.
Pure Mediterranean freshness. Olive oil, lemon zest again, garlic, dried oregano, simple aromatic base.
And veggies on the skewer, too.
Yes. Cherry tomatoes, red onion, bell peppers threaded alongside the shrimp. As they grill, they soften and release their juices. It's beautiful. Freshness is key here.
Sounds light and delicious. Number 8 moves us east. Ginger sesame shrimp skewers.
An Asian-inspired favorite. You've got that nutty sesame oil, the umami from soy sauce.
And ginger, of course.
Grated ginger for warmth, minced garlic, and a touch of honey to balance it out and help with glazing on the grill. Finish with green onions and sesame seeds for texture and freshness. It's a winner.
Definitely sounds like one. Getting more exotic now with number 9. Tandoori shrimp skewers.
This is really unique. The base of the marinade is plain yogurt.
Yogurt. Why yogurt?
The lactic acid in yogurt is a fantastic tenderizer. It makes the shrimp incredibly moist and succulent, even with the high heat of grilling.
Wow, okay.
Then you add the tandoori spice mix, that amazing blend of turmeric, cumin, coriander, other spices, plus lime juice. It's earthy, tangy, aromatic, transforms the shrimp.
I need to try that one.
Yep.
Okay, last but not least, number 10, pesto shrimp skewers, Italian sunshine.
So simple, so effective. Just toss the shrimp and some cherry tomatoes in pesto sauce, store-bought or homemade.
That's it.
Pretty much. The pesto already has the basil, parmesan, nuts, garlic, oil, all the flavor you need. Grilling the pesto-coated tomatoes alongside the shrimp makes them burst with sweetness. Serve with maybe some fresh basil. Done.
10 skewers, 10 completely different worlds of flavor. This deep dive into the Shrimp Boat series really shows the incredible range you can get from shrimp skewers.
It really does. From simple classics to quite exotic blends, there's something for every taste.
It proves it's not just about the ingredients, but understanding those little techniques and flavor combinations.
Exactly. It's about balancing flavors, using acids like lemon or lime, knowing how marinades work, like with the yogurt or pineapple. These ideas are springboards.
Absolutely, it makes you think.
Right. What unique twist could you bring to your next batch of shrimp skewers now? Maybe combine an idea from one recipe with flavors from another. The possibilities, as they say, are endless.